y'all, it's Jenny. Today I'm going to tell you all about the IQ Classic Kit 2. Let's see what's in the box. You have your quick guide that will show you how to get you started. You have your IQ panel 2. Look how thin that is. You've got your S-line motion, your power supply, a nice table stand. That's awesome that that's included. And look what we have here. 3 S-line mini door windows. You're not gonna believe how easy this thing is to install. First, you're gonna remove the back cover. Here's a little trick. If you try to pull it with your finger, it's pretty hard. But if you slide your thumb underneath, it just pops right off. Next, you're gonna plug in the power supply. Run this cord behind the clip and into the strain relief. With the cord plugged in, now we can snap the cover back into place. Next, I'm going to show you how to add the table stand, like this. To make sure it's in place, put your thumb right here and snap it into place. With everything connected, next, we just plug it in. To power on the panel, press and hold this button on the side for 3 seconds. Remember, if you need any help, you can always take a look at your quick guide. Now it's time to run a cell test. Slide your finger down, hit Settings, Advanced Settings, enter your code, System Test, Cellular Test, and Start. After the cell test is done, we're going to connect to Wi-Fi. Swipe down, Settings, Advanced Settings, enter your code, and Wi-Fi. Then you're going to check this to activate it and select your home Wi-Fi. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, now it's time to check for software updates. Slide your finger down, hit Settings, Advanced Settings, enter your code, Software Upgrade, Upgrade using Network. The IQ panel can pair with up to 128 S-line encrypted security and life safety sensors, and up to 128 automation devices using ZWave Plus. Now you can install your encrypted security sensors and your ZWave devices by simply following the steps on your quick guide. Using the IQ panel is easy. You just touch and swipe away when you're done. The built-in panel camera takes disarm photos and sends them right to your phone. The dual microphones on the bottom of the panel can be used as a built-in glass break detector. The IQ panel includes touchless disarming using Bluetooth. I simply leave my phone in my purse or my pocket, and when I get close enough, the panel disarms itself. And the HD photo frame can be customized with your own family's photos using the micro SD card slot on the side. And the LTE and Wi-Fi radios work together to keep you connected. All in all, the IQ panel is the smallest, the most beautiful, and the easiest system to use you can buy. Don't forget to check out my other YouTube videos. We'll see y'all next time. Hey y'all, it's Jenny. Today I'm going to tell you all about the IQ, hello, like reach, IQ Classic Kit 2. Let's start with what's in the box. You take this sleeve off, open the flap. That is not, I didn't see that little flap there. Oh my gosh. Where are the sensors? Oh. Let's go. All right. Using the IQ panel is easy. Just touch.
Exactly that.
Are we ready? The IQ panel. I can't do it. Okay. Wait, what? The built-in panel. Right here. The camera. The camera. Smallest, most beautiful, easiest system you could buy.
Yep. That was perfect.
Okay. Easiest, most beautiful, and the easiest panel you can use. Easiest panel to use. Okay, that was too much. Okay. Relax. Easiest to use. system you can buy. Beautiful, most beautiful, the easiest you can use. No. All in all, the IQ panel, sorry, my hand wasn't right. Okay, no, my voice cracked anyway. Okay, look how thin that is.
Go.
Oops. If you need help along the way, you can, nope. Once your cell, what is this? Once your cell test is completed, we're going to connect to Wi-Fi. We're going to connect to the Wi-Fi. That wasn't cheerful enough for you? That was dramatic.
Nailed it.
Holla!